Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is job opportunity from 4 companies. Work location is Hyderabad. Freshers, experience, both can apply, any graduate. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for a first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. First company, Sutherland, and they are hiring for chart process, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 5 years experience candidates are eligible for this position viewers, and candidate need to be flexible enough. We have 24/7 environment and as well as night shifts, rotational week offs, so no fixed Saturday and Sunday offs. You will be observed work from home in the initial days. And yes, candidates who have completed graduation are eligible for this position viewers, and candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, good documentation skills, typing speed 35 words per minute with 95% accuracy, able to handle unforeseen situations, should have great customer handling skills. So candidates who have completed graduation are eligible for this position. Interested candidates can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. And viewers, next, Wipro is hiring viewers for international process, work location Hyderabad, Hyderabad Gachibowli. Hiring for international process, Wipro non-voice, only freshers are eligible. Any graduates can apply. MBA, MCA, MA candidates are not eligible. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, company providing two-way cab, 5 working days, 2 week offs, good knowledge on risk and frauds. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts. So those who have completed graduation are eligible for this position. Interested candidates can apply for this position. And here's next company, Kelly Services India Private Limited, work location Hyderabad. They are hiring for telecollections. 0 to 4 years experience candidates can apply for this position viewers. For selected candidates, salary varies between 1,25,000 to 3 lakhs depending upon their qualification and experience, and they are preferring immediate joiners. Work location is Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, ability to work to deadlines, good negotiation skills, highly numerate, ability to multitask, computer skills. Those who have completed graduation or undergraduation from reputed university are eligible for this position viewers. And work description involves making outbound calls, handling the customers, collect customer payments in accordance with the payment due dates, utilize various skip tracing tools and collection strategies to locate right party, and as well as he or she would be responsible for collection of overdue accounts on customers in all buckets and for various products through telecalling to recover due of customers as per allocation through in-house as per RBI guidelines. So those who are interested can apply for this position viewers. If you done your graduation, post-graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. And viewers, last company is Genpact, and they are hiring customer service, non-voice, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 3 years experience candidates are eligible for this position viewers. Those who have completed graduation in any stream is eligible for this position. If you done PG, it will be an added advantage. Freshers are also eligible. The responsibilities includes provide resolution to maintain standards of quality, recognize trends and patterns and raise issue timely, provide insights to help improve the support to the users, provide excellent customer service to our customers. So those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position viewers. Especially candidate need to be work ethic and as well as ability to work well both independently and as well as a part of a team to reach a targets, self-starting and as well as curious, work ethic are eligible for this position viewers. And candidate need to be comfortable to work in night shifts, and we had 24/7 environment. And I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Through links you can apply for a particular position which suit your profile. All the best viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of jobs. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And please do subscribe Adira Job Station channels for all private and government jobs notification and hit the bell icon to receive notifications.